About the torque experienced by an electric dipole in the uniform electric field. If an electric dipole is placed in uniform electric field, then we can calculate the torque on this dipole. For this, let us consider an electric dipole of dipole moment P placed in a uniform electric field E whose field lines are equally spaced and point in the same direction. The charge plus Q will experience a force QE in the direction of the field, and the charge minus Q will experience a force minus QE in a direction opposite to the field. Both the forces are equal in magnitude but opposite in direction. Since the external field is uniform, the total force acting on the dipole is equal to 0. One force is equal to plus QE and other force is equal to minus QE. So the total force on this dipole is equal to 0. These two forces acting at different points will constitute a couple and the dipole experience a torque. This torque tends to rotate the dipole. It is clear in the diagram that the electric field is uniform because field lines are equally spaced, and the electric dipole moment vector P makes angle theta with the direction of electric field. The length of the dipole is 2a. The total torque on the dipole about the point O is given by tau is equals to OA cross minus QE plus OB cross QE. The torque is perpendicular to the plane of the paper and is directed into it. And tau is equals to QE into 2A sin theta, where theta is the angle made by P with E. Since P is equals to twice AQ, we know that P is equals to twice AQ. The torque is written in terms of the vector product is tau is equals to PE sin theta and is maximum when theta is equal to 90 degree. If we put theta is equal to 90 degree, then we get sin theta is equal to 1 and torque will be maximum. This torque tends to rotate the dipole and align it with the electric field E. Once P is aligned with E, the total torque on the dipole becomes 0. If the electric field is not uniform, then the force experienced by positive charge Q is different from that experienced by minus Q. In addition to the torque, there will be net force acting on the dipole. It is clear from the diagram that the electric field lines are not equally spaced, so the field is not uniform, and there are different forces have different magnitudes working on the dipole. Example, a sample of HCl gas is placed in a uniform electric field of magnitude 3 into 10 to the power 4 Newton per Coulomb. The dipole moment of each HCl molecule is 3.4 into 10 to the power minus 30 Coulomb meter. Calculate the maximum torque experienced by each HCl molecule. The maximum torque experienced by the dipole is when it is aligned perpendicular to the applied field. That means if theta is 90 degree, then we get torque maximum. So torque maximum is equal to PE sin 90 degree is equal to 3.4 into 10 to the power minus 30 into 3 into 10 to the power 4 Newton meter. So torque maximum value is equal to 10.2 into 10 to the power minus 26 Newton meter.